Start date, March 23rd, 2011. Let's see if Alex is ready for spoons. What do we do with spoons, Alex? Ooh, throw it. That's a good start. Lily, what do we do with spoons?
We pick it up and bring it to our mouth. So,
let's see.
Pick up some applesauce, baby boy, then bring it to your mouth.
Oh, I guess not today, huh? How about this one?
I think he wants a blue one.
Does he want a blue one? Let's see. Okay. In the hand, what do we do with that? Oh, we drop it. Okay. Up until now, he was putting it in his mouth.
I think he would like some blue.
Let's try the blue one. Here you go, Alexi Maxi. Oh, maybe you're right.
Go, Alexi Alexi! No, Alexi!
What you gonna do
Let's
with that?
Video clip it.
That's what I'm doing.
Make a video of it.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That's my boy. Good job.
So do it one more time, baby boy.
Oh, that's fabulous. How about this spoon?
He's bringing it to his mouth. He didn't make it in time.
Oh. Okay, well, let's say bye-bye to the viewers. Why not?
He's doing it, Mommy.
Oh, that's empty though. Oh, look at me.
Take a picture of
I'm doing it. Good job, baby boy. That's what you do with a spoon. Are you left-handed? I did. It's a good video. Okay, bye-bye.